So today my Squishmallow haul is going to be split into 3 parts. First part is very exciting. It is going to be squishes from Claire's UK that my sister picked up for me while she was visiting the UK. It's been a while since I've got any international squishes, so I'm very excited about these. And as usual, I'm going to show you all the squishes I have found and added to my collection in the past few months. And then I'm also going to show you at the end some Bumbumz because I realised I haven't shown them in a while. So lots and lots of exciting finds to show you today. Starting off with this very special ultra rare purple seal. I was just so excited that it had a little gold ultra rare stamp on it. Her name is Meryl. She's a lovely lavender colour, and then she has a pink and purple tie-dye belly. She has a cute little tail on her back, and yes, you may have noticed she is wearing a friendship bracelet. This is a little mirror ball friendship bracelet, otherwise known as disco ball, but I always call them mirror balls since Taylor Swift's song came out. She renamed them. Anyway, the reason that she is wearing this beautiful mirror ball bracelet is because she is a deep sea archaeologist and she once found a vintage disco ball. So naturally she has to have a disco ball bracelet. Did I make this for her? No, I actually didn't. My older sister made this for her because she got one too, and they have matching disco ball friendship bracelets. Next we have Cosimo. I actually said that right. I thought it was Cosimo. Cosimo, whatever this lovely mushroom is called. It's a mushroom bat. I originally thought it was a mushroom with wings, and it is. But when I was adding it on my squad app, it said it was a mushroom bat. And I'm like, yeah, I see that. I do see how it's got the bat ears. I love the colours on this one. It's got this kind of plum colour, then a lighter pink colour for its wings, its mush, and its fuzzy belly. I will let you know, this tag officially declares Cosimo as an edgy mushroom. Not just a mushroom, an edgy one. As well as this, she also got me a little edgy mushroom, little baby Cosimo with wings. They are quite a different colour. Both of these are from Claire's UK, and the main body colour is quite different. The mushroom is pretty close. The fuzz is, I think, exactly the same. But yeah, this one's a lot lighter than this one. Maybe as babies they have lighter fur and it like darkens over time, like dogs. Wait, no, that was the opposite of my dog. She was darker and then she got lighter. Anyway, I love both colours. I think they're beautiful. Now the rest of my, come back! The rest of my Claire's UK Squishmallows are clips. Clips from a few different squads. Most of these happen to be from that like kindness squad. It's like a Valentine's squad. I think it's called like the motivational messages squad. Anyway, they have cute little embroidered messages on their stomach. I have a big one that's a walrus in my office that says follow your dreams. Which always reminds me to follow my dreams of buying more Squishmallows. Oh, it's this one in big form. I should be showing her off while I talk about her bigger cousin. This is Bindi, the dreamy walrus. I find it really interesting that these have a Claire's UK tag. These 3 over here don't have it. Not sure what that means. I guess these ones were specifically made for Claire's, and these ones are probably stocked in other stores. I thought this one was Claire's exclusive though. Maybe not. Also weird to me that the Squishmallow tags for the UK Squishmallows have like 2 parts. None of my Squishmallows have that. They just have the one singular tag. So I've got adorable little Opal the octopus. She's got kindness embroidered on her stomach, and then this adorable little blue bow. She is the old octopus design, in which she was offended I called her old. What I was trying to say is the new octopus designs now have 8 legs on their keychain, which makes sense because they're octopuses. This one is technically half of an octopus, but I love her all the same. Then we've got this beautiful little purple koala. She says happiness on her stomach, and she has these adorable little fluffy ears. Her name is Renata. Did I say that? Can't remember. And the final one from that squad is this little Fifi. Oh, it's not Fifi at all. Wait a second. On their tags, it actually says for Claire's. There we go, made especially for Claire's. And yes, as I just discovered, this is not Fifi. This is Fifi. Wow, I'm such a fake Squishmallow fan. That's a completely different creature. This is clearly a fox. This is clearly an Arctic fox. Red Arctic fox. It's got a fluffy tummy with the embroidered believe on it. Have I not looked at these tags? I think I did when my sister brought them home, but that was a while ago now. We don't get this in Australia anymore. They have the little squad pig. I miss that so much. Then the next Squishmallow she bought me is this adorable little mushroom called Sydney. How funny that she bought me a mushroom called Sydney not in Australia. Anyway, obviously a little green mushroom, and it has a little embroidered leaf on its stomach. And the final 2 Squishmallows I have dreamed of owning for a long time. Strawberry Frog and Cheesy Mouse. So, cheesy mouse. How beautiful is this little blue mouse? It's holding cheese. Also, its name is Squoz. I don't know where that name came from, but it's just the perfect name. It just looks like a Squoz. The only other name this one could have, I think, is Tutter, because it looks exactly like the mouse in Bear in a Big Blue House. I emotionally relate to that mouse a lot. It even says that sometimes Squoz gets angry or sad and doesn't know what to do. That sounds pretty inspired by Tutter. This one also has a bit of a different tag. What is this? There's like safety instructions. There's a little booklet folded up. It's in a whole lot of different languages. Oh, it says not suitable for children under 10 months due to the shape and size of components. The final Claire's UK squish I have to show you is my favourite one. This little pink strawberry frog. I don't think I really need to say much else. It's a strawberry frog. Got the little embroidered strawberry seeds. Got a little strawberry leaf. She's even got cute little rosy cheeks. Her name is Adabelle. I hope to collect Adabelles in other sizes one day. But she's just beautiful. And strawberry or not, I do love a good pink frog. Did you say pink frog? Yes, I got 2 pink frogs. Very different shades of pink. This will start off our Kmart haul. So, this beautiful pink frog, he's from Kmart. He was part of the Cherry Blossom squad. Such a beautiful squad. This is Klein. He is a financial advisor, and I will be taking all future financial advice from this frog. I'm trying to cut back on the 12-inch Squishmallows I buy, so this was the only one that I got from the Cherry Blossom squad, but I really hope they make them in a smaller size, or maybe I'll buy the smaller size from overseas, because they are so beautiful. Now, I know I just said I was trying to cut back on 12-inch Squishmallows, but I did buy 2 more. I could not buy these, okay? I think you can see why. We'll start off with this lovely lady. Her name is Sean. She's purple. I have to buy the purple ones, but also she's a Loch Ness Monster, which are one of my favourite designs, because they've got their little flippers down low, they've got corduroy belly, they've got spikes all over the back, and she's purple, and she has this beautiful green flower. She's beautiful. She's one of my favourite Squishmallows I've got this year. I did also make her a friendship bracelet because I was hugging her while making friendship bracelets, and I had these little green flower beads that perfectly matched her little green flower on her head, so I had to make it for her. I do have a matching purple one. The Loch Ness Monsters are just very comforting to hug, so you can hold their little hands and hug them like this. The other 12-inch Squishmallow I bought, I don't think she needs any explanation. I think she's quite universally loved. It's Woxie. Now, I've never really been a collector of the Bigfoots. I have a few little clips, but normally when I see Bigfoots, I'm like, I'll just leave them for the Bigfoot fanatics. However, when I saw Woxie, I couldn't leave her behind. She is the cutest Bigfoot I've ever seen. It's definitely her smile. It's so charming. I just fell in love. Also, I really like the colours of her. She's got this like blue to pink to purple fuzz. And then like all Bigfoots, she has the very cute little feet with the little paw prints on them. I don't know where in my Squishmallow collection she's going to fit, but that's an issue for another day. Another Squishmallow I got from Kmart is my first pom-pom Squishmallow. I have a bunch of cinnamon roll Squishmallows, but I've never bought a pom-pom one before. It's very cute. When I first saw it, I was like, why does it look so naked? I think it's because the other Sanrio Squishmallows, they all have little outfits on, and this one also doesn't have a stomach. Like most Squishmallows have a stomach, and he just doesn't. Also from Kmart really coming through. I got a bunch of new clips. We have Beulah the octopus with lots of different coloured legs. See, this is what I was saying earlier. The new octopus clips have 8 legs as opposed to these ones, which have 4 legs. Beulah also has a little embroidered flower, which is so cute. Then we've got this one, which I thought was a grasshopper for a long time, but then I was like, wait, isn't Pillar the grasshopper? And then I realised this is a praying mantis. It's got its little praying paws ready. I also love how it has little fluffy bits on the end of its antennas and little sparkly wings. This one's name is Trenton, and he's an amateur director. So he made a documentary about documentaries, and next he's going to make a movie about movies. Wow, that is quite inspirational. Then we've got this little one, which is some kind of sea creature. I think it's meant to be some kind of fish, maybe like a betta fish. Anyway, I do love all the little shiny scales it has. It's got them on its stomach, on its little fins, and on its back fins. Its name is Barella. And it says she takes pride in her home and garden. She likes to keep her windows clean and free of surface scum. Isn't that what bettas do? Are they like cleaning fish? Well, I learned something very interesting. Apparently, betta fish don't require walking. And the final clip I got, this one took a little while to track down. I can see why. It's a fluffy bat. I think it's quite popular. It's Megan. She not only has a fluffy stomach, but fluffy ears as well. Then these next 2 Squishmallows I have to show you are actually Squishmallows that my older sister bought me. I think my sisters collectively bought more Squishmallows for me for this video than I did. Anyway, we've got the elusive red squid. I was searching everywhere for this squid. I went to so many stores, went to so many Woolworths, went to so many Coles, I went to so many Kmarts. could never find it. And then of course my sister found it for me. And then you know what happened? The next time I went to a store, the squid was there. They were just avoiding me until I already had it. But yes, I'm very excited that my sister got this one for me. She also got this lovely bee in a bucket hat for me. It's so cute. This one is the only one not from Kmart. This one's from Big W. It's another Sunny to add to my Sunny the Bee collection. Got her sparkly wings, and this one obviously features the green bucket hat. I was doing some thinking. I think I might embroider along there because that would just look really, really cute, don't you think? So that is all the Squishmallows I have to show you. Actually, it's not. I forgot I had some Squishville boxes to open with you, so that'll be at the end. But like I was gonna say, let's go see the Bumbumz. I have a lot of mini Bumbumz to show you today, but first, I need to introduce you to the newest member of my couch committee. This is a very special member of our committee because he is British. Yes, when my sister went to the UK, she found a British couch for me. And you're probably thinking it's just another Bumbumz couch. They all look exactly the same. No. This is the most unique couch I have in my couch collection. This is a standard Australian couch, and it is the British one. The biggest difference is that this guy, he's all floppy. You can use him as a pillow, but this guy, he has a backboard in him. There's like a back of the couch. He's not floppy. If you lie on him, it kind of feels like you've got a piece of cardboard under your head. Also, if you look with a close eye, you can see the couch on the right. That's the British couch. Its little cushion is actually quite a different shade and quite a different texture from the one of the Australian couch. Sorry, that just had me excited out of my mind. Also brings our couch committee to 10 couches. Now, I know I just said that my couch committee is up to 10 couches. It's actually up to 14 if you include these little baby couches. It happened. Baby couches were released in Australia. I got 4 whole baby couches. They're so beautiful. You can sit them right on a big couch and they fall off. You weren't meant to do that. Sometimes they stay sitting. You can have your baby couches on your big couches, and it is a wonderful time to be a collector of purple couch plushies. The purple couch plushie I'd really like to add to the collection is the one from the New York Toy Fair. On a more possible note, I really hope that they make a 12-inch Bumbumz couch, because have you seen those? They started making 12-inch Bumbumz. We haven't had any in Australia, but I really hope we get them. And if we don't, and there's a purple couch one that is released anywhere in the world, I will be buying it. Anyway, enough talk about purple couch Bumbumz. Actually, you can never talk about purple couch Bumbumz too much, but I do want to introduce you to some other mini Bumbumz that I got. These ones are also from the Home Bum set, so the same set as our beautiful little Ralphs. We've got Stew the Succulent. I could never find the big Stew the Succulent, so I was very excited to find this little one. He fits in very well with my little fairy core area over there. When these first came out, they were in the bigger sizes, and I was so tempted to buy them because they're so cute, but I was like, I'll just wait to see if the mini ones come out, and then I'll get the mini ones instead. And yes, we were successful, ended up with the mini ones for my collection. Another mini squad you can find in Australia. Where did my toast go? Another mini squad you can find in Australia is the Breakfast Bums. Now, I have a couple of Breakfast Bums sitting here. These were my first 2 Bumbums. So I got the mini ones. We've got the little toast, and I love this toast. Well, I love that toast too, but this toast, his jam is all purple. That one's got rainbow jam. This one is pretty much just pink and purple. Then the cute little blueberry muffin, and then the strawberry milk. I really hope that we get strawberry milks in other flavors. Strawberry milks in other flavors. Milks in other flavors, but you know, strawberry milks in other flavors. You could have chocolate strawberry milk, I guess. Then I also had to get this one. Her name is Jess. She's a purple flower. Obviously, I was going to buy her. This one was an extra purple one. I compared all the ones at the store. I got her from Kid Stuff. Then the last one I have to show you today, I actually got off eBay. This one wasn't available in Australia when I got this. I specifically got it because it's a mirror ball and I wanted to bring it to Taylor Swift. I wanted a little keychain friend to keep me company. I needed someone to squish, and the mirror balls are like a really nice squishy sensory experience. So I got this little mirror ball. I don't know if you can tell. She had quite the wild time at the Eras tour. She got stepped on. She got water spilled all over her. So she's not looking quite as fresh as she once did, but she's still beautiful. Oh, I almost forgot to show you my Squishvilles. Okay, so I got these. I think I might have got these in like January or February. It was a while ago, and I was going to open them on camera. I wanted to do a little unboxing, and then for my last Squishmallow haul, I just forgot about them. And then for this Squishmallow haul, I nearly forgot about them as well. So we're lucky they made it in. These are both from Kmart again. This one is called the Pond Squad. It has a cute little green frog, little otter, koi fish, and I think that's a turtle. And this squad has the cute little moth, Pace, which is either a deer or an Arctic fox. I can't remember, but I kind of think it's a corgi. Like, it's not a corgi, but it just looks so much like my corgi that I associate it as a corgi. We've got a little owl and a cute little butt that looks like it has a fluffy tummy. Let's find out. Let's actually open it. I had these in boxes so long. I can't believe I nearly missed them again. Oh yes, this one's called the Up All Night Squad. Nearly forgot to say. Also, I love the art on the back. This little squishy art. They look so cute. Focusing on the actual squishes now. You can see them out of their plastic. They are chained into the box. Let's free them. First one is this owl, not gonna lie. It's like my least favorite from both these boxes. I do like how it has little sparkly horns and little fluffy wings though. That is very nice. Next we have Alos, the black and blue bat. Yes, it does have a fuzzy belly and it also has fuzzy ears. So adorable, this little bat. Then we've got adorable little Pace, which now I think about it, I think it's like a fennec fox. She's got a little tail. Her ears are, they're not fluffy, but they're like, wait, no, they're just normal Squishmallow fabric. I was gonna describe normal Squishmallow fabric to you. You probably already know what that feels like. And the stomach is fluffy though. It's so funny because the only other Pace I have is 16 inch. So that's quite the size difference. And the last one from this box is little Miri. She's so adorable. Oh my gosh, she does have fuzzy antennas. I thought because she was Squishville, she wouldn't have them. But yes, fuzzy antennas, fuzzy stomach. And these wings are kind of like a satiny feel. And you know where I can add her? To the stack of Miris. I just destroyed the stack. Okay, she might have to sit there. She doesn't want to sit on top, but she wants to sit in front. There we go. Very cute. And we have the whole pond squad to open. Free. Here's a little shot of them out of one box, still chained to another. First part, we've got really otter, fuzzy stomach, and fuzzy ear. Literally every single one I've opened until now is fuzzy, and then these three aren't fuzzy at all. I suppose frogs and fish aren't really fuzzy. They could be fuzzy. You know what I want is that fuzzy Ludwig. This is Limmel the frog. He's got yellow eyes, yellow stomach, and blue spots. Then we've got Dandy the koi fish, which is incredibly detailed for such a little Squishmallow. Not only does it have all the different coloured spots, it has like all this sewing in its tail to make its tail and its fins and its other fin look fancier. That is a detailed Squishville. Now the final squish of the day is this turtle called Onika. It has lovely fuzzy hair. What is happening here? I can't tell if that's just the hairstyle or if it was actually that bit was meant to be clipped for all of it going up. I'll just leave it like that because maybe that's how they like wearing their hair. Now, this one has a shell and it looks very deceptive because it looks like it has nice scales on it, but it's not. It's just printed. Well, that is the Squishmallow haul complete for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. My next Squishmallow video, or maybe not my next Squishmallow video. My next Squishmallow video is going to be me crocheting an outfit for that pom-pom pouring. But the one after that is going to be me actually rearranging all these Squishmallows because right now I have at least 30 Squishmallows on the floor, which I just haven't been able to find a spot for. So we're going to put them all away together. So I will see you for that, hopefully. Anyway, have a wonderful day and I will see you soon. Bye.